Hi everyone, I'm Jill Davis, a 7th and 8th grade English language arts teacher at Splendora Junior High. I'm also the Instructional Technologies Coordinator for the campus. Have you ever wondered how those teachers make these great instructional videos that they can post on Canvas? Well, that's what we're going to cover today in this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. There are a lot of free video programs that are available on the web. There's Screencastify, there's ScreencastOMatic, there is even a program embedded in your Canvas under Studios. The one that I typically use is ScreencastOMatic, and they have a free version and a paid version. And I didn't find that the paid version was that expensive, so I went and paid it. But what I'm going to be demonstrating for y'all today is the free version. So let's see what's goes. So if you go to ScreencastOMatic, and then you tell it that you want to launch a free recorder. So I am currently using the free version of ScreencastOMatic, and so it automatically opens up to the recording screen. So you record your screen and you have three options. You can record with just your web browser, what is in your window or what is on your computer screen. You can record just a webcam image of yourself, or you can do a little combination of both, which is what I'm doing now, where you put your image, the thumbnail, at the bottom. You can even click on this image and move it all around the screen so that as you work through the lesson, if you find something that doesn't quite work the way you want it, or your picture is over where you need to be showing the students, then you can just click and drag yourself wherever you need to be. Now, one of the great options that this program has is it will allow you to draw on your screen. And so in the bottom left corner where you have your record icon, you will also have a pencil. So if I click on the pencil, I can now draw on my screen and it will let me add so that my students can actually see that. And then I can click it again and take it off. Click it and draw a new one, whatever it needs to be, and then click it a third time and it's off again. All right. When I'm done recording, I can hit the pause button and I will have even more options. So some of the things you can do with the free version is that you can take a screenshot, you can trim your recordings so you can make them a little bit shorter. If you do the 30-day free trial, you get some edit features, and what I usually use that is to cut out some of my and uhs. I tend to use a lot of them, especially when I don't know what I'm about to say. But honestly, you don't need it, especially if it's a lesson you've done a number of times. And just being able to use the free version where you can show students what's on your screen or what you're doing. I've even, when I was first learning, I would write something on a dry erase board and hold that up to the screen for my students to see. So you can play with them a lot. There are other free programs, but ScreencastOMatic is the one that I'm most comfortable with. So once you have your videos recorded, you want to upload them to the internet, and you can save them on your Google Drive, but it is my experience that it's better to just post them on YouTube and have your YouTube settings set up correctly. So once you click your video, and so I'm going to upload whichever one I want to upload, and so I open the video, and then I have options, so I can upload it to Google Drive or YouTube, or since I do pay for ScreencastOMatic, I can upload it to ScreencastOMatic, and I tell it that I want to upload it to YouTube, and I always make my videos unlisted so they cannot be searched for. But if you choose to post them as listed, that's up to you. Since I'm a reading teacher and a lot of my videos can contain excerpts from books, to cover myself for copyright issues, I just make everything unlisted and then I don't have to worry about that. So once I upload it to YouTube, I go to my YouTube, and one of my options is your videos. So I click on my videos, will show what I have, so I can go through and see all my videos and how many times people have viewed them. In order to share this on my Canvas, I'm going to actually click on the video. This is just one of my vocabulary videos. And then I actually open the link. And then I come to share. Now, I prefer to embed my videos on Canvas. And one of the great things about any video that you embed on Canvas is embedded YouTube videos do not show commercials. So I know that all of you have clicked on a video and then you have to wait for the commercial to play. Well, by embedding it in Canvas, you skip that. So I'm going to click on, when I clicked share, now I'm going to click on embed, and it gives me this iframe. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to copy it. And so I go to Canvas and I go to my module and this is just one of my sandboxes, and I tell it I want to add a new assignment. It's going to be a new assignment. We're going to call it sample, add item. So once I open this assignment and I go to edit, I actually want to go to the bottom right of the edit box where you see these two brackets, and I'm going to click on the brackets and it switches to my HTML editor. And now when I Control V or right click paste that video link in there, I see the link, I see the height, the width, etc. Now I unclick that, so I switch it back to the text bridge. And so now that video is linked into my Canvas assignment. So when I save it and publish it, so when I go to view as a student, now I can see it, and of course they can click on, watch it on YouTube, or they can just click it here and the video will play sans commercial. So that's a quick way to make and add videos to your Canvas. Links and tutorials for Tech Tip Tuesday, such as how to create a classroom video, can be found under the Digital Learning button on SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your ClassLink portal and open up your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find this tip and other great tech tools. I hope this tech tip has made your life a little easier with classroom videos. And meet us back here next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.